How to configure your EFTPOS for GPRS. First, press Function. Then key in 3824 followed by the Enter key. When Config Parameters is displayed, press Enter to proceed with the configuration. Then key in the terminal ID followed by the Enter key. At this stage, Merchant ID will be populated by itself. Press Enter. Then the Network International Identifier will be displayed as 001. Press Enter. Then by default, 3 TCP IP is displayed. Press 4 for GPRS, followed by the Enter key. Then by default, option 1 Paymark is selected. Press 5 to select Spark, followed by the Enter key, or your selected provider. There's a GPRS username, key it in, or press Enter to skip. By default, the GPRS primary host port number is set to 33876. Press Enter. Once again, by default, the GPRS secondary host port number is set to 33876. Press Enter. Select 1 for yes or 2 for no for DNS use, and then press Enter to proceed. Then by default, GPRS primary host DNS is set to direct.paymark.co.nz. Press Enter. Then by default, GPRS secondary host DNS is set to direct2.paymark.co.nz. Press Enter. When configuration is saved, press Enter to save the configuration. To start the GPRS link, press Enter. The terminal will take a few seconds to start the GPRS link and return to the Paymark EFTPOS screen. Once at Paymark EFTPOS screen, then press F4 to initiate a merchant login to establish the connection to Paymark Network.